You have outsmarted your enemies and they are so shook of you. You haven't even done anything. You literally haven't even lifted a finger. All you done was just close out a cycle and moved on to another timeline. Simply just totally moved towards a new time in your life. You shift your energy, you shift your focus, and you have closed out whatever chapter you were on when you had to unfortunately encounter these types of individuals. You may have had a glow up, you may have moved to another state, city, country, and you didn't retaliate. Whatever they were trying to throw at you, you didn't retaliate. You used that energy that they threw at you and you alchemized it. You alchemized it, and now you're succeeding. Or spirit is asking you, urging you to use whatever energy is thrown your way and turn it into something positive. Turn it into something that's going to make you feel proud of yourself. Something that you always wanted to do, but you didn't get a chance to do it. This is the time to focus on you. This is the time to focus on your goals, on your projects, on your hobbies, to put yourself first. They want you to be all up in your head, fixating about them. They're stuck and they want to keep you stuck. And you made a decision to close out whatever cycle you were on with them, because it wasn't guaranteeing you any success. If anything, it was making you not accomplish what is actually important. So you decided to do better for yourself. You're looking good. You're looking great. And they can't stand it. They wanted you to be all up in your head. They wanted you to be afraid, scared, giving up on yourself, letting yourself go. You done the total opposite. And they can't believe it. They cannot believe your power and your strength, because they feel like if they were in your situation, if someone was doing to them what they were doing to you, they would have crumbled a long time ago. You've used this energy and you have made it catapult you into success. And they can't believe it. They can't believe that they're actually helping you. They don't understand the way your mind works. They wanted you to be closed off. They wanted you to be hardened. But you're still open. You're just not open to them. You act as if they don't exist. And they can't understand it, because they want to get a reaction out of you. They want you to have sleepless nights. They want it to cause you endings, but these endings have not occurred. And they're thinking, but wait a minute, I tried to give this person karma. I tried to socially isolate them, but people still love them. They're still seen as a star. And you are a star, my darling. You're glowing even better now. You're showing these individuals that they do not revolve around your world. Like, they're not the center of your universe. They do not exist in your reality. These individuals are starting to look at you like you are some type of otherworldly being, and some of you are, because you know how to alchemize ish. You know how to take yourself away, work on yourself, pour into yourself, heal yourself through prayer, meditation, subliminals for some of you. You know how to correct what's going on inwardly. Journaling. You purged. And their behavior made you take a look at yourself and think, what is it about me why people choose, because it is a choice, to treat me like this? You're not taking on their burdens. You're not making yourself feel like you deserved what they threw your way. No. Gone are the days when you're going to be the sacrifice. No. You are understanding that you are a reflection of who they are not. You are the healed version of who these people are not. And that's why they targeted you. And when these individuals look at you, they think to themselves, oh, she doesn't have a clear in her world. Oh, she don't have any problems. Let me give her problems. They may not think that in that sense, but their actions prove so. Because someone that goes out of their way to try and harm by bullying, spiritually harassing, trying to socially isolate, they've got major issues. They're not happy. That is not the behavior of a happy person. And you have shown them that their behavior has no effect. It may have affected you and you may have had to do a lot of unpacking behind closed doors, but you keep showing up, you keep being the best version of you, you not allowing their behavior to harden your heart, you still being that kind, loving soul, obviously with discernment, because you don't F with them, you act as if they are invisible, is a mind F to these individuals. You see, you work with spirit, you work with God. When God says move, you move. When God says remove, you remove. And these people have been removed from your reality. Remember what I said, you're on a different timeline. You do not know of these people. And they are in awe of you. They're actually in admiration of you. They see that you are of a different kind. You have a lot of spiritual authority. I don't know if they'll say it in those words, but they know there's something different about you. They know that you carry a lot of spiritual weight. You're not your average. You may look different from the people that you are around, and your essence is different. They can't place you in any box. And that's why they targeted you. Because they thought you would submit, but you are not submitting to anyone. The only person you submit to is God, universe, creator, whoever you believe in. And your goal is just to do the right thing and become the best version of yourself and to treat other people fairly and kindly. And for those that, choose to disrespect you or others around you, you don't want to associate with these people. It's as simple as that. They wanted you to argue with them and play this tit for tat game with them. They wanted you to invest your time and energy into their foolishness, but you're not giving it any attention. You're leaving them to their own devices. You're leaving them to destroy themselves because they try to hide you. They try to belittle you. They try to make you feel as if you were not wanted, as if you were not seen. And they sat back and waited to gain a reaction. They wanted to see you upset. They wanted to see you frustrated, angry. They wanted you to snap, but you kept smiling and you kept doing what you do best. Creating your legacy, pouring into you. You have a life. I suggest they find a life too. And they're so angry. They're so upset with your smiles. They're like, how come they're not giving up? That's the thing. These individuals don't know that you know what they're doing. They feel like they're so slick. They feel like they're so smart. They don't understand that their toxicity seeps outwardly. But just by you acting as if you don't know is destroying them. But these people won't stop. And it's okay, is what Spirit is saying. They don't need to stop because they're going to end up destroying themselves. Some of them are already losing credibility. There's a fall from grace occurring, or it will occur. Some type of scandal will occur around this individual, how they're misusing their power. And they are losing power. They think that they can control others. And they try to control you. Oh boy, was that the wrong move when they targeted you. Now they are feeling heartbroken. Everything that they didn't want you to have, which was peace, which was love, which was respect, has not been taken from you. And they're cracking up. All the spell work, because what they're doing is actually spell work, right? That they have been throwing your way has ricocheted right back. Guess why? Because you are raising your vibration. So there's nothing really to attack. You're not a vibrational match to their toxicity.